Okay, Ian, what are we doing?
The short saddle of lamb.
Short saddle of lamb.
We'll do one half into Valentines.
It's a
Valentine
Valentine.
steaks.
What's a Valentine steak? I've never heard of that before.
I'll show you.
Okay.
And the other half will be into Rosettes.
Valentines and Rosettes.
Okay.
Do you know what a Valentine or Rosette is, Callum? No, me neither. So we better pay attention. Okay, so there's our fillets. There's our lovely lamb fillets. This is new for me. I like learning. Every day's a school day when you're with butchers, man.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well done. Whose was better? Was it Ian? Was it Dave? I think you're both pretty. I think you both left most of the meat in there.
Yeah.
Well done. Valentines.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is all new for me.
Yeah. So stir them up.
Yep.
Be half an inch into the fat
Okay.
by the edge of the eye muscle.
Yep.
Cut down at an angle.
This is Valentine's.
Valentine steaks.
Valentine steaks. I thought I knew it all. Oh man, no, I didn't. I don't know it all, but I thought I knew a lot of the names of things. So can you buy this?
Yeah.
Online at Donald Russell
Yeah.
or from the catalog?
Yes.
Okay. Just gorgeous little steaks? Or whoa. You have got to be kidding me. Little hearts.
That's why the Valentines.
I heart you, buddy. Thanks, man. You're a good dude. I heart you too, Dave. And all you guys out there. We here at Donald Russell, we heart you. Valentine steaks. Just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. I know what I'm ordering when I get home. Okay. So the next one is the Rosettes. Rosettes, that band. I opened up for her once. They're cool, man. She's hot. All right. What happens to our fillets?
We'll use them.
Oh,
I'm afraid.
I'm glad you're using them. Rosettes and Valentines. So, February's around the corner. What a perfect steak. Do you guys push that around? There we go. Okay, you guys know what you're doing. But that fat. So what I would do with these bad boys is I would just get my knife in there. I just put nice little cuts. That way I kind of speed up getting that fat to render. And I would keep all that fat on there. He'd probably trim a little bit off. I want to keep it there. So when I order, can I get you to just leave the fat on for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you're trying to do is bear down the skin or the fat as soon as you can go
Okay.
without
Without going through it, without tearing it.
cutting through.
Okay. This is insane. I've not seen this
Again,
before.
Like touch of fat, you can feel thin bits, thicker bits, and
Yeah.
you know where to trim down.
Okay. If I start talking like you, just remember imitation is the most sincere form of flattery. As you trim down the noisette.
Or you can,
Don't punch me, dude.
or you can cheat.
Don't.
You can cheat by.
Oh, okay. I thought you were getting mad at me trying to impersonate you. This is so cool. Oh. That has got to be the best flavor. Oh, I see.
The loin bar. Go on.
I should have trimmed that when you were doing that, but I didn't. Sorry about that, buddy. Rips all the fat off and all the...
Fill it back in.
Right. Noisette, you call it.
Noisette.
We're just gonna keep it a bit easier right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Because the fart's so thin, if you try and untie it,
Oh, you'll
spring
rip
will
it.
just
Yeah, you gotta be a bit more
through.
tender now.
Yeah.
You're being tender, aren't you? Sweet.
Almost
You
tender.
sweet. Oh my gosh. So you just pan fry these up?
Yeah.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Look at this work, y'all. So you've got the Valentines steaks and the Noisette steaks, courtesy of Ian Matthews, Donald Russell, Master Butchers. Look at these. This is all new for me. Thank you, bro. I'm dropping the knee, man. I'm dropping the knee. Don't send in the dragon.